Okay, just doing a timing chain. It'll sit up there. I've got crap everywhere as usual. Like that. The dowel piece goes through the middle. And that goes through the top. And I'll get it in place. Sorry. Sits like that. I'm trying to get it in. This is difficult. Got to make sure when you put the chain in that it's sitting on the guide rail properly and it's hugging. Like now it's not hugging. Like that really annoys me because I had it perfect. So now I've got to try to get that knot out of it. This is a bit that kills you to line it up. So right here, flip this stupid bloody guide rail out when it wants to come. I use cable ties to hold it in place. Guide rail's out. Now I've got to try to pull it around and get the cam timing in the right spot. Which now I think it's moved, so I've got to realign it. So this rail comes out easy when you undo them 10mm. It's gone, it's out. So now I've got to dial it in with a dial gauge. This is what 2 degrees looks like on the cam. I'll try to line it up as best as I can. It's 2 degrees. If that end of the dot, and it's actually like 5 degrees. It's, yeah, about 4 degrees. So the end of the dot, this side, if it's lined up with that point, you can take a video of them and have a look. If it's lined up with that point, that's 5 degrees. So it's half of that really. But these can be a nightmare. When you're sliding this tensioner in, it can knock your timing out. I do these out of the jet skis. It's not worth doing. So to get the chain on with the wider one, you got to take the cams out because the early ones you could slide the chain down. So the tensioner, to readjust that, I've got a video on it. You got to push it and turn it clockwise, and there's like a little pin here, sits in that groove there when you finally screw it down. So you got to push and turn it at the same time and wind it down. I've got a video on that. Just check it out if you want. But yeah, that's 5 degrees, thinking about that. So I've got to line this up again. I've got to put a dial gauge on it. Oh, it's too hard to do with one hand. I just put that down there. Number 1 plug out, the dial gauge. And then I'll just turn it. The dial gauge sits up on them bolts. And turn it by the crank. It's not worth doing it in the ski. It's quick to take it out. Just trust me. You lose so many parts, it's not even worth it. Any questions, hit me up.